Everyone wants to be rich, but very few are willing to pay the real price. Not in money, but in sacrifices. And here's the cold truth. If you're not willing to give up certain things, then you're automatically giving up wealth. According to a 40-year study by Thomas J. Stanley, author of The Millionaire Next Door, 80% of millionaires are self-made, not lottery winners, not trust fund kids. They didn't get rich by chance. They got rich by choice. The choice to sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term success. In this video, I'll reveal the 10 critical sacrifices that almost every self-made millionaire has made. Not theory, not recycled fluff. We're talking real shifts, from how they use their time, to how they choose friends, manage emotions, and even how they handle failure. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's get started. Sacrifice number 1. Kill the craving, keep the cash. Ever wondered why your income goes up, but your bank balance doesn't? That's not bad luck. It's lifestyle inflation. It's the silent killer of wealth. The moment people start earning more, they upgrade their car, their phone, their weekends, and worst of all, their ego. Suddenly, they're not buying things for utility, but for identity. As Morgan Housel wrote in The Psychology of Money, spending money to show people how much money you have is the fastest way to have less money. If you don't sacrifice your desire to upgrade constantly, you're sacrificing your financial freedom without even realizing it. Ronald Redd, a gas station attendant and janitor, never earned more than $30K per year. Yet when he died, he left behind $8 million in investments. Why? Because he didn't inflate his lifestyle. He inflated his investments. Meanwhile, countless people earning 6 figures retire broke. It's not about what you earn. It's about what you don't spend. Wealth isn't built in moments of spending. It's built in moments of self-control. Number 2. Embracing boredom for productivity. Here's a strange but powerful truth. Your brain needs boredom to build brilliance. But in a world addicted to notifications, reels, and distractions, most people run from boredom like it's a disease. Yet, as Cal Newport says in Deep Work, clarity and creativity don't come from chaos. They come from solitude and focus. If you're constantly stimulating your brain with noise, how will you ever create something worth millions? Take Elon Musk. His thinking time often involves hours of solitude, planning his next 10 years while others can't sit still for 10 minutes without picking up their phone. You must sacrifice constant stimulation for deep concentration. Block 2 distraction-free hours daily. No phone, no noise, just deep work. Take 20-minute boredom walks daily with no podcast or music. Just let your mind wander. Most people chase dopamine. Wealthy people chase discipline. So learn to be bored, because in that boredom lies your billion-dollar breakthrough. Number 3. Sacrifice comfort zones. Here's a hard truth. The comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there, especially not your income. Most people choose routine over risk, stability over skill building, and predictability over potential. Why? Because comfort feels safe, but safe doesn't build empires. In Can't Hurt Me, David Goggins writes, "You are in danger of living a life so soft, you never realize your true potential. The longer you stay comfortable, the longer you delay your greatness and your wealth. Discomfort is the price you pay for growth. Pay it now or stay broke forever." Average people seek comfort. Wealthy people seek growth, even when it's uncomfortable. Everything you want, wealth, purpose, freedom, is just one uncomfortable decision away. Number 4. Sacrifice unnecessary luxuries. Most people go broke trying to look rich. They upgrade phones every year, buy designer sneakers they can't afford, lease luxury cars to show off on Instagram, just to impress people who don't even care. Most actual millionaires live modestly. They don't buy luxury, they build it. It's not about deprivation, it's about prioritization. Every dollar you blow on ego is a dollar stolen from your future wealth. The mistake: people treat luxury as a reward for working hard, even if that work hasn't built real assets. But wealth is not built by spending, it's built by investing. Want to buy a $1,500 iPhone? Fine, first own $15,000 in stocks. Want that vacation? Great. Make sure your emergency fund is full and your money is making money. Luxuries make you look rich. Sacrifices make you actually rich. Number 5. Sacrifice limiting beliefs. Break the mental jail. Before you earn your first million, you have to unlearn a million limiting beliefs. Most people aren't broke because of lack of income. They're broke because of the stories they keep telling themselves. I'm not smart enough. I'm not from a rich family. Money is evil. I wasn't born lucky. These are not facts. They're mental prisons. Priya thought investing was only for rich people. She started with just $50 per month in mutual funds. Today, she teaches others how to do it and has a $40,000 portfolio. So if you want wealth to show up in your life, start by firing the voice inside that says you don't deserve it. Number 6. Sacrifice short-term comfort for long-term gain. If you're always chasing comfort now, you'll be stuck chasing money forever. Atomic Habits author James Clear says, "The cost of your good habits is in the present. The cost of your bad habits is in the future." Delaying instant rewards isn't pain, it's power. It's how wealth is built. Yet millions stay broke not because they're lazy, but because they choose easy over growth again and again. Noah Kagan, once fired from Facebook, built multiple million-dollar businesses by sacrificing early comfort, sleeping on couches, skipping luxury, and working long nights while others chilled. Today, he teaches thousands how to create freedom through online businesses. If you want to wake up rich later, get uncomfortable now. Comfort is a temporary high. Wealth is a lifelong reward. Discipline now buys freedom forever. Number 7. Sacrifice toxic relationships. Sometimes the people keeping you broke are the ones sitting beside you. Toxic relationships aren't always loud or dramatic. Sometimes they're the subtle ones that laugh at your ideas, drain your energy, or convince you to chill when you're trying to grow. Audit your circle. Ask, who challenges me? Who drains me? Then, slowly replace critics with coaches, haters with hustlers. Damon John, founder of Fubu and investor on Shark Tank, once said he had to distance himself from people who were comfortable being average. He chose mentors, not just friends, and that circle shift helped him build a $6 billion brand. Cutting off toxic ties isn't cold, it's necessary. You're not being selfish, you're being strategic, because your future deserves protection, not permission. Number 8. Sacrifice digital distraction for deep focus. Imagine a young entrepreneur, Karen, trying to build his e-commerce business. Every day he'd sit down to work, but his phone lit up every few minutes. A quick scroll on Instagram, a few WhatsApp replies, and boom, he'd lost an hour. Frustrated by his lack of progress, he made a bold move. He disabled social media apps for 30 days. According to a study by the University of California, Irvine, it takes an average of 23 minutes and 15 seconds to refocus after a digital interruption. That means if you're checking your phone 10 times a day, you're losing nearly 4 hours of deep work potential, daily. In contrast, billionaires like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett have long been advocates of deep work and disconnected time to think strategically. They treat time like it's infinite, but attention is the real currency. They multitask, split focus, and chase dopamine hits instead of meaningful progress. Wealth isn't just about income, it's about the sacrifices you're willing to make. By letting go of these 10 obstacles, you pave the way for financial freedom. I know that success comes from consistent learning. If this video gave you new insights, like it, share it, and subscribe to continue building wealth with me. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.